small batch cinnamon rolls because you don't always want like 36 cinnamon rolls. So you will need half a cup of almond milk, or you could use real milk if you want to, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1.5 cups of flour, and half a teaspoon of salt. Combine your melted butter, warm almond milk, and yeast and allow it to rest for 15 minutes. Your mixture should be very frothy and foamy. After your mixture has rested for 15 minutes, add your flour and your salt and mix it all together. If your dough is really sticky, you can continue to add a tablespoon of flour until it's no longer sticky. Cover your dough with aluminum foil and put it in a warm place in your kitchen and allow it to sit for an hour or an hour and a half until it is doubled in size. After your dough has risen, then you deflate your dough. And then you put your dough on a cutting board and you cut it in half and put half back in the bowl. For your filling, you will need brown sugar, melted butter, and cinnamon. I used 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then I sprinkled the cinnamon on there, but it's really just how you feel. Repeat that with the other half of your dough and then roll up your rolls and cut them into 6 pieces. Cover your rolls with aluminum foil, put them in a warm place in your kitchen, and let them set for about an hour to an hour and a half. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and then bake your cinnamon rolls for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. You can make any type of glaze for your cinnamon rolls, but I prefer to make a brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter glaze. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.